Teeth can heal, and this natural repair comes from the body's superfluids. Teeth are the only exposed bones in the body, and like other bones, they have the ability to regenerate when provided with the right conditions. Two superfluids that heal teeth. The first is internal fluid, blood and lymph, which delivers nutrients and oxygen while removing waste. The second is external fluid, saliva, which bathes, soothes, and nourishes teeth. The quality of both fluids depends on key lifestyle factors: hydration, diet, sleep, exercise, fresh air, and stress management. Oil pulling and coconut oil. Oil pulling is an ancient practice that involves swishing oil in your mouth for several minutes to remove harmful microbes, trapped food, and toxins from teeth and gums. It reaches areas a toothbrush can't, including between teeth, under the gums, and beneath the tongue. Afterward, spit the oil out and rinse thoroughly with water. Coconut oil is one of the best oils for this practice. Its natural antibacterial properties help prevent tooth decay and support the teeth's natural healing processes. Oral hygiene. Food trapped between teeth feeds bacteria, which produce acids that erode enamel. Flossing and rinsing after meals, especially before bed, are essential to prevent decay and maintain strong teeth. Diet for strong teeth. Sugar and acidic drinks weaken enamel by feeding harmful bacteria. In contrast, crunchy fruits and vegetables, such as apples, celery, carrots, and cucumbers, strengthen teeth, gums, and jaws. They stimulate saliva flow and naturally help remove plaque. By combining oil pulling, thorough oral hygiene, a nutrient-rich diet, and healthy internal and external fluids, teeth can repair themselves naturally, gums remain strong, and the jaw stays healthy.